Morning students, how are you all? Hope you are doing very good. Now students, we will recall the concept taught in the previous session by asking them to trace the same routes taken by Weber on the globes. I recall the story again. Weber loved to explore different parts of the world. He also loved his friend Zahir. So whenever he go to the world, he does not forget sending some gift to his friend Zahir. From London came a teddy bear. From Budapest, a court. From Manila, a cricket bat. And from Singapore and Hong Kong, a phone and a laptop. Friends, let's see the route in the political map. From London came a teddy. So student, can you tell me the location of London? Yes. From Budapest, a court. Can you tell me the location of Budapest? Yes, very good. From Manila, a cricket. Can you tell me the location of Manila? Yes, very good. And from Singapore, a phone. Can you tell me the location of Singapore? Yes, very good. Hong Kong, a laptop. Can you tell me the location of Hong Kong? Yes, very good. I hope you all have understand very well. Students, can you share your observations about the content of the globe? Can you tell me? Yes, a globe representations of the actual shape of the earth. Students, let's discuss the comparison between a globe and a map. Let's discuss the comparison between globe and map. Let's discuss students. This is a globe and this is a map. Let's discuss. Globe is a spherical device. Map is a flat device. Globe is used to see whole world at a time. Map is used to see a particular region at a time. Globe is a hard to carry. Map is easy to carry. Is three-dimensional object. Map is two-dimensional object. Now student, what is three-dimensional object? Object has three measurement like length, breadth and height or depth. They are called three-dimensional shape. It's like a sphere. Its surface is curved. Now student, what is the meaning of two-dimensional object? Plane shape that have only two measurement like length and breadth. Therefore, they are called two-dimensional length and breadth. Now student, I will ask you some question. Are you all ready? Let's go. If you have to follow the rules taken by Weber, how will you remember them? Can you tell me? Yes, with the help of map. Next, why do each of you have a map but not a globe? Students, can you tell me the answer? Let's discuss. Maps are easier to use and easier to carry around. They can show the earth entire surface or just a small part and show even a small locality in a great details. You can take example of Google. It provides satellite pictures and road map. Can generate drawing direction, given start and end address. Now students, let's discuss the checkpoint given from the course book. Page number 10, checkpoint 3. Straight, true or false. Students, now I will read the question. A globe is a replica of the earth. A map is difficult to carry from one place to another. A globe can be folded and is easy to carry anywhere. Let's discuss the answer. A globe is a replica of the earth. Replica means copy. A globe is a copy of the earth. Students, it is true or false? Yes, it's true. A map is difficult to carry from one place to another. Students, can you tell me the answer? It's true or false? Yes, it's false. correct statements is a map is easy to carry from one place to another. A globe can be folded and is easy to carry anywhere. Student, is true or false? Yes, it's false. A globe cannot be folded and is difficult to carry anywhere. Page number 11, I get to know section. So students, you know who is Yuri Gagarin? This is a picture of Yuri Gagarin. Let's discuss. Yuri Gagarin was born on 9th March near Moscow, Russia. He was a Soviet forces pilot and cosmonaut. What is the meaning of cosmonaut? Space pilot, who became the first human to journey into a space race. Yuri Gagarin was the first person to orbit the Earth in 1961. He orbited the Earth for 108 minutes in his spacecraft. Now student, we will discuss I think and reflect section. I will read the question. What will you use to find the location of your house? A globe or a map? Students, can you tell me? Yes, you will use to map to find the location of your house. Why you will use map? Can you tell me? Let's discuss. Map are easy to use and easy to carry around. They can show the Earth's entire surface or just a small part and show even a small locality in a great detail. Page number 12, I learn 4 section. Now students, I will read this paragraph. This day maps are available on all kinds of electronic device. They can be used for navigation purpose as well as finding the distance from one place to another. Students, can you tell me which map are used on electronic device? Yes, let's discuss Google Map and digital mapping. They can be used for navigation purpose as well as finding the distance from one place to another. Page number 11, I discover section. The Earth is also called the blue planet. Why? Student, do you all know why the Earth is called the blue planet? Let's discuss. Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has a large amount of liquid water. About 74% of the surface of the Earth is covered by liquid water. Because of this, people sometimes call it the blue planet. Because of its water, Earth is a home to millions of number of plants and animals. So we call the Earth is a blue planet. 11. Students, now we will summarize the mind map given in the course book. Students, this is a map. The Earth. Model of the Earth. We have two types of model: globes, map. When we look at the Earth from outer space, we see land and water. In land, there are 7 continents. Students, can you tell me which are they? Yes, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. In water, there are 5 oceans. Students, can you tell me the 5 oceans name? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. This session is over. Goodbye.